Hello and welcome. In this video guide, we'll be going over the seasons functionality within the Libra Plant app in a little bit more detail. To get to the seasons, we'll need to head into the settings tab here, and we can see down at the very bottom of this list, we have our crop seasons kind of area there, with the option to close a season, to view different seasons, and the carry forward option. Running through those one at a time, we have the option to close seasons. You can close a season at any date that is the current date or the any date in the past. You cannot pre-close seasons by selecting a future date. What this essentially does is it stops information from passing through that date. So for example, if you had a fresh account and closed your season at some time in the future, it would stop any information from the beginning of your account to that closing date. And then you just repeat that cycle on and on, typically either for end of harvest and end of planting, or before starting the next one. You will go in, close your season, it'll zero out everything and make it nice and tidy. That is, unless you have carry forward on, but we will touch about that in a couple seconds here. So you can select your date and it will confirm that you want to complete a season. You can go back and view any previous seasons from the seasons list here. So you can see that my seasons, I have one ending on November 18th and February 18th of 2024 and 2025 currently. So that means that the information in between, if I selected February 18th season, I would see any transactions from November 19th until February 18th. If I were to delete the February 18th season, it won't delete any data there. We then have the carry forward option. Carry forward allows data from the locations in a source tab or the destinations within a destinations tab to persist and continue through and ignore the barriers. This is useful if you want to see your destination totals or your source totals all the time for every season and want them to persist. You can turn carry forward on and off for every selection by using the setting here on the settings menu, or you can go into each individual and turn the carry forward on and off there individually. That is a little bit more information about how seasons work in the Libra Plant app. For more instructional videos, app help, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips, visit our support page at support.agromatics.com.